In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add DocuSign tags to PDF in DocuSign. We'll walk through taking a PDF, adding the fields your signer needs, and sending it out for signature. In DocuSign, those fields are called tags, and they're the placeholders where people sign, date, or confirm their name. Start by opening DocuSign and choosing Get Signatures to begin a new sending workflow. You'll be prompted to add your file, so click Upload. In the file picker, choose where your document lives. If it's on your desktop, open that location. To find your file quickly, use the search bar and type the file name or a keyword. Here, I'm typing a simple term to filter the list. If the dialog refreshes or narrows results, it's fine to type the same keyword again to refine your search. Once you see the PDF you want, select it and confirm the upload. Next, add the people who need to sign. Click Add Recipient and enter the signer's details. If you have multiple signers, add each person now and set their signing order if needed. Taking a moment here to confirm emails and names will prevent bounce-backs later. When your recipients look good, click. Next, add fields to open the tagging screen. At the top left, choose the recipient you're placing fields for. DocuSign color codes each person, so you can easily tell which fields belong to whom. If you're tagging for more than one recipient, you'll repeat this selection as you switch between them. Now, place your tags. From the panel on the left, select Signature and drag it onto the PDF right where the signer should sign, typically on or just above the signature line. Then add Date, signed by dragging it near the signature so the timestamp appears with the signature. Add name where the printed name should go. You can click and drag to reposition, use the corner handles to resize, and rely on alignment guides to keep everything neat. If your document needs initials or other fields, you can add those the same way. Zoom in for precise placement if the form has tight spacing, and double-check that each tag shows the correct recipient color. When you're satisfied with the layout, click Send. DocuSign will email a secure link to your recipients, and you'll be able to track status from your account. Before you move on, give the document a quick once-over to confirm every required spot has a tag, and that each tag is assigned to the correct person. That's it, your PDF is tagged and on its way.